Happy New Year's, viewers! I'm going to talk about my commitment ring. I bought this ring for myself to commit to my New Year's resolution. So, this is my New Year's resolution ring. This ring is so pretty. I got it at Nordstrom Rack for like 10 bucks. Anyways, continuing my New Year's resolution ring is a reminder for me to commit for 2019 to hustle by making YouTube videos that will be helpful for everyone. I just want to reach out and connect with everyone with beauty, fashion, health, DIYs, fitness, education, careers, citizens' rights, and employees' rights. I just want to give back to the community on the knowledge that I have and share it with others that can be beneficial. Since 2018 has been a reality check for me because there was a few ups and lots of downs in my personal life in 2018. For 2019, I will be wearing the New Year's resolution ring every day to keep me motivated to accomplish my goals. I wish everyone a happy New Year's, be positive, and hustle in life, and don't settle for an ordinary life. You have nothing to lose to hustle for a lit life. Thank you. Next.